Human DNA is not always making us function in ways we understand. Some of it is just there, and we're not sure what it does. In fact, 8% of our DNA are viruses our ancestors caught one day and passed on to us.
Dark matter in our genomes, remnants of our evolution. These things integrated hundreds of thousands of years ago, and they are still present.
Those viruses that are part of our genome are called retroviruses.
Retroviruses are also viruses, but they have this little ability to sort of copy themselves into our DNA. So instead of disappearing, they're actually with us forever.
Well, so what? So nothing, most of the time. We carry these viruses in our genomes and somehow we manage to silence them. But it turns out those ghosts can be awakened when we get sick.
What's interesting is that in a lot of diseases such as cancers, autoimmune diseases, and neurodegenerative disorders, for example, we actually see that these ancient fossil retroviruses or these ghosts, some pieces of them still show up.
Biologist Jeremy Scheck is a La Jolla Institute postdoc. He has led the study of these inherited viruses called HERVs, which stands for Human Endogenous Retrovirus. The proteins which do the work of a virus can be seen parked on the surface of cancerous tumor cells. Researchers have created a precise picture of these HERV proteins, revealing their appearance and structure. They change shape or fold very quickly. Look at them funny and they'll unfold, according to Scheck. But they found a way to freeze them in time in order to see them through a powerful electron microscope,
which then take images of these proteins and thousands of images, and we look at thousands of individual copies of these proteins from all different angles. And from there, we can actually reconstruct a 3D view of what these proteins might look like.
The proteins allow the virus to enter a cell and make us sick. And knowing what it looks like reveals its functions and can tell you how an antibody can bind to it and disable it. We don't know the exact role of these inherited viruses in diseases. HIV, which causes AIDS, is another retrovirus. That one also becomes part of our DNA, but thankfully is not passed on to our descendants. Thomas Fudge, KPBS News.